What's up, Georgia? Uh, Rebel here. I was gonna first do like a little uh, Georgia ammo haul for y'all, right quick. First things first. Uh, Doing my job during the week. I ran into one Walmart store and I picked up this 100 round pack of 20 gauge shotgun shells, 2 3/4 inch, a 7/8 ounce, 8-shot Winchester. This is what the box looks like, the 24-ounce box. And I'm just gonna have these. I might need to get another 100-round box for my 12 gauge, which I think should be good for right now. While I start doing just shoot my gunshot, practice with them, and because I'm gonna hang on to like my buckshot and like my buckshot slugs and my turkey loads for like a home defense. Then I was at another Walmart. I picked up 3 packs of these bolts for my crossbow pistol. You see 12 boxes, like 12 per pack, so it makes it like 36 rounds. And I was at this local. I drive by this local what do you call it, like your local mom and pop drugstore, and they actually sell ammo there. And why none was had picked up a box of this Sailor Belay 50 round 9mm 115 grain box. Then I picked up, I think that Sailor Belay was $14.99. I picked up 4 boxes of this 20 gauge slug 5-pack, 3 inches 3/4 ounce. That's what they look like. And there's one gun store I stopped at and bought 2 packs of this X-Tac 556 62 green green tips. Hang on a second. Okay. But that's what they look like. Then lastly but not least, I went to another gun shop, picked up 2 boxes of Critical Defense 25 round pack 38 special 110 grain. That's what they look like. So total I got what 100 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 240, 276 rounds. And this is why I said, just buy what you can when you can. Because I know there's a lot of people who says, oh, spend a whole lot of money and stuff. The way I said, no, don't spend a whole lot of money. If you got $50, get the rounds you mostly need with that $50. If that's per paycheck per month, what it is, just buy what you can when you can, and stack it deep. And just tell me what y'all think. Until next time around, y'all have a good one.